On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on, Otter Gang? Or should I say Otter Gang. So slow, my God. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful summer lull Friday, where we are at 16 on the VIX. We are sitting here watching candles print, moving slower than molasses, where we have really hit an area of, I don't know. It's slow. We got news today. That's all I hope it moves something. I hope Jerome Powell, I hope we get a tweet. Something. We need something. Donald, we need you to tweet. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody's had a wonderful week. It's been a doozy. Bitcoin. Flat. So we'll find something. If there's someone in the Bitcoin trading space that can find a trade, I think I'm your guy. Let's get into it. Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Thank you, everybody, for being here. My God. Oh, man. So we got some new data, some data. We got core PC and personal income and personal spending. Okay? Not that I know much about these things. I always tend to humble myself. You know, I learn from Piper sometimes. I try to listen. But I always am listening to the charts, okay? And good morning, everybody. Crypto King in the chat. What's going on, Lightio? Dusty, good morning to you. Good to see you. Crypto Rob, Duality, good morning. John Foster, Crypto. Alexandra, G, and Infinite Team TA. You guys are on it this morning. Holy smokes. Battling for that experience, that number one position. I'm curious to how everybody's adjusted this week, though. I'm curious to see how you guys have traded this week, because it's been, yeah, I'm sitting at break even too, man. I'm in a break even. I can't wait this long, man. I took the orb trade yesterday that I left you guys with. So we had an open range breakout trade yesterday coming into was it here? Yeah. This was it. So we had the SFP, I think. Yeah. This was it. Man. I took this long up into here. This was good. We reclaimed the range. Reclaim orb push up. That's it. Then I took like a couple of stupid trades, a couple losses, and I was done for the day. I ain't forcing it. I think that's the hard thing. The orb trade, I think, was you had the SFP here. You could have got long here and waited 10 years for it to play out. I mean, this happened at 11. Remember we said yesterday. We said yesterday the afternoon could push. It did. From 11 to about 4 or 5 o'clock. But I mean, if you want to hold the trade from 11 to 4 o'clock and it's moving like this, I mean, you're a better person than I am. That's all I got to say. Like, much better person. Like, I don't know how you can do that. You must have the patience of, a god. Right now, it does look like we are getting rejected off VWAP and rolling over, though. So can we come down on SFP? We have a couple of ideas for today, okay? Let's not get too bent up on the slow price action. It's the summertime. Go out, touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. That's what we're all about here, Balance in the forest, lifestyle. You don't always have to be on the charts, and we teach you how to, really extract profits from the charts in a quick and finessing manner. A lot of my strategies, you don't have to spend a lot of time on the charts, a couple hours, 2-3 hours a day, make your money and run away, right? That's how I've structured my trading. However you wanna structure your trading. What's going on, Infinite? Good to see you, John Foster. On the drive into work. Normally I would be, but today's an off day for me, both Emma and I. Congratulations. Enjoy your day off, my man. Early weekend, long weekend. Titan Packs, good morning. Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here. Crypto Birdie, Chantel. I'd like to thank you guys yesterday. We got our views tend to increase as we get through the week. But yesterday, you guys did like a very fantastic job smashing that like button, subscribing, and all that stuff. Like, I just want to say I'm very grateful for all of you guys in here. We got 150 people already. And I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel and smacking up like buttons and all that silly stuff that I have to somewhat ask you to do. Chantel, good morning. Infinite Team, Wave Cypher, what's going on, man? Happy options expiring, everyone. Yeah, good fun. Good morning, Otter. Gang from down under in Australia. Let's go. Australia, mate. Love Australia. Holy sexer up, man. Batman. Yeah, we did get I got my ears lowered yesterday. If you haven't noticed, my ears are a bit... Yeah, I got them... I asked them to bring them down like 4 inches. 7 inches? That's 7 inches, right? 7 inches? Yeah, about 7 inches. So, I got the ears lowered by 7 inches. By 7 inches. It's Friday. We're going to get into trouble already, man. You guys are already getting me in trouble. I get myself into trouble. Let's face it, man. Let's face it. All right, little push here. Look, we're getting volume, guys. Coming into the data. So what's the plan for the data here? We're stuck in the middle with you. Really, we are really in this like bull flag. Now, I'm not a big flag trader. How do I get this stupid input? I don't need to see that. Save as default. 1. Okay. We are in this flag here. The ugliest flag of them all. Chop. We call this Chop flag. Chop City flag. We do have bull divs here, okay? A higher low right now and a possible continuation trade here. Possible. Now, I like 105.5, 105.9. I would like here. Okay, that would be ideal. Are we going to get it? I believe we need a retracement before a continuation into the liquidity down below here, but that doesn't mean that I'm right, which is good, because if this, then that. Now, when we look across, the 12-hour looks juicy, but it could fire downwards. Okay, the money flow is questionable right now, but we do have our first real higher low. I would consider this now a higher low. Okay, this is a good sign. VWAP crossover to the downside is not a good sign. Curvature on our momentum wave is not a good sign. So we have mixed signals here. The 3-day printed to green dot, which we love. But this is going to take another, 6 days to kind of give us a real read on which way we're going. The 4 here, the 4-hour money flow is curving to the upside with an overextended VWAP with momentum coming to the downside, which can work together in unison, or it could just roll over. So stuck in the middle, right? Very stuck in the middle price action. The 3, trigger wave. The 2, trigger wave. 1, triple bottom, baby. Triple bottom with money coming out. With stochastic still above the 0 line. So can we fire off here? Can we cross over here? This would be midday again. Or are we just going to chop sideways? My bet's sideways. What's your bet? Sideways, up, or down? You guys let me know in the chat. It doesn't matter. We'll still make money. Some way, somehow, we still manage to do it. So we're prepared. A prepared trader is a profitable trader. Spam the otters. Don't let them win. Yeah, that we are here to spam otters and tell Google that this is the place to be. Okay? We want to promote good people, and I think I'm one of them. Pretty sure. I checked yesterday. What's going on, Kevin? Good to see you, man. AlexOCrypto, good evening from Shanghai. Thank you for being here. Gang, gang, gang. God bless, man. Grandmaster 8, my brother. Jay Violet. Chris Ford Ranger, thank you for being here. Jay. Let's go, let's go. Wayne C. Hopefully you're getting a nice sandwich. It's Friday. You should get an extra layer of cheese on your sandwich. Titan package. LME. I'm just butchering it. We'll just call you Hem. What's going on, Hem? Buck, what's going on? I owe you a phone call. I will try my best to give you a phone call later on today. Is this Darren? Darren does things. Lady. Everybody, Darren does things is also known as Lady over here. Hello, Darren does things. I went over here. It's the wrong side. I think I need to invert my but it would look weird with the microphone coming out of the, like if I flip this, let me see, transform, flip horizontally. Oh, it does look like I'm looking over here now. That looks a little bit better, but why is the microphone coming out of the abyss? That looks better, doesn't it? I should be flipped, because then I can be like, these mofos over here. Flipped or not flipped? This way or the other way? This way, right? This looks better because it looks like I'm looking in at you. And then I can point properly. That makes sense. I don't know if I have a good side. What's going on, Niels? Good to see you. Philly Skills, Binksy. Good morning to you, Nick. What's going on? Good morning. Thank you for being here, Mega, the chef. So we're prepared. Really, this was look how sporadic this price action is. Very manipulated, very impulsive. Okay, so we're always going to be prepared. However, right now, if we're looking for key areas and we're looking for retracements, I'm going to be looking for either a liquidity grab, a full-on Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I want to see some sort of, right now for isolating price, we're in the middle, right? We're in the middle. So how do you trade it when you're in the middle? Well, buy low and sell high, right? Range bound trading. So if we're in the middle of this kind of area, right? We clearly would like SFPs. We clearly would like a retracement continuation trade. Okay? We're not going to be here drawing like little flags and stuff and looking for trades like that, okay? We're going to be patient here. As patient as possible. You got me for 2 hours. Okay? The Discord gets me later. So that's how we're going to roll. Maybe we could do the Discord right after the stream. And we can be done early on our Friday. We'll see. We'll see. 205 people in here, 53 likes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. So the data coming out, we have core PCE, which is like PCE but hardcore. Okay. Pretty flat. Pretty flat. So it's supposed to come in the same. We'll see. Personal income. How's your income doing, everybody? Hopefully you guys are stacking wins on the personal income, and you're not spending so much. That's how I would assume this. People's money to the amount they're spending. So that's how I would interpret these. However, we want to see income come down, but not too much. And we want to see spending come down, but not too much. That's what I see here. We want, previous consensus, so coming down, both of them. So we want to see it come down, but not too bad. Okay? That would be bullish, I think. But if you do want more information on something like that, you go over to the Piper Academy. You say, hey, Piper, please show me what the heck this means, because he's in it. He studies it. He's a professional. Where I'm a professional in my own sense, where I press buy and sell successfully on a daily basis. All right? Break even this week. We're down like $300 yesterday. So it's a flat week, back to $25,000 basically. Which is fine. A break even week just means, I got a little bit carried away at the beginning of the week. We all know that. I was down $2,000 at the beginning of the week. Then I had a good day on Wednesday. And yesterday was really a nothing burger. And then now today we're back at it. So some weeks are better than others. Some weeks are bad. We try to have winning weeks. Right now we're kind of stuck in the middle, which is fine. I'm happy about that, considering we were down a lot. I mean, not a lot, but 2 G's. 2 G's is a lot for some people, so got to be can't be egotistical with the amount of money that we trade. It's also important to eat your humble pie. What's going on, Wayne C? Good to see you. Jay Violet in the chat. Good morning to everybody. Chill vibes. Thank you from the Philippines. Jesse, good luck, my man. How's it going, bro? Noel, Titan. Hi, I've never spoke before, but here you have my setups. Apple stop loss around 190. I'm waiting for Palladium. Okay, awesome, man. Thank you for being here, Martin. HFG, good morning, man. Good to see you as well. Jesse, good luck. Everybody's name is a bit weird today. 104-ish, please. Then to the moon. Okay, so he wants to pull back. Let's go, baby. Paper planes, my man. What's going on? Gang. You forgot your headphones. Come on, man. Amateur hour on a Friday. You can't. If on a Friday, you gotta have the headphones, man. Chop Suey right now, everybody. What a song, eh? Chop Suey. 64 likes, guys. Come on, what is going on here? You guys, rookie numbers, man. Rookie numbers. Dave Digital. What's going on, bro? How you been? Dave, I am planning to start working out in August. Dave, I'm going to do it, man. I'm going to do it in August. Ryan Smith says, hi, Alex. What altcoins do you currently recommend I look into, possibly add to my spot bag? So for me, I'm not an altcoin anista. But I would look in real world assets, DeFi, and some safety, some safety coins. I don't know. Sui's doing well. Hype is doing well. I like Pengu. Pengu. If I had to pick a degen thing, it would be Pengu. Only because I see pudgy penguins absolutely everywhere. For me, I always share my holdings. I hold Injective, Celestia, Sui, FET, Render. Look at this pump, baby. Let's go. Link. Okay. And lots of Bitcoin. I'm 80% Bitcoin. I'm a Bitcoin maxi pad. That's what I am. No, I'm not. I'm not at all. I'm just heavy into Bitcoin. Because this is a Bitcoin cycle. It's clearly a Bitcoin cycle. You look at Bitcoin pairs against anything, and there's very few that have outperformed Bitcoin. Bitcoin gives peace of mind. But yeah, that's what I hold. Everything's in profit except for FET and Celestia. Everything else I bought in the bear market. Except Sui. Sui I bought $1.30 and $1.60. But still in profit, so. But yeah, I like Pengu. That's kind of my my degen play. Virtuals is doing good. AI agents, right? Virtual is doing pretty good. I like Pengu. 9-cent buy level on Pengu that we gave in the Discord. No, it's never financial advice, but I mean, we had the level. It's up 7% already. It looks as though Bitcoin's pumping, though, baby. Let's go. Nice push here. It's moving, guys. It's moving. It's alive. Let's go, baby. There was clearly no setup down here. Is this a sweep of the highs, or are we going to continue to go to Valhalla? Is it going to be a Friday massive pump? Thank you, everybody, for being here. 215 people in here. 71 likes. Thank you guys for being here. We're pretty much waiting for news right now, everybody. But it's nice to see the price move more than 5.5%. We've moved 0.17. So it's good, man. It's good. We're doing all right here. So we'll see what we get today. I'm optimistic, pushing through VWAP aggressively here. We could look for a breakout continuation trade on VWAP up into 786 possibly. We'll see. I do not want to rush any trades here because the price does not want to rush for us, okay? So, we have to adapt into the environment, which will definitely help us protect our downside, okay? NQ, bears, yeah. NQ's all-time highs. S&P is about to hit all-time highs, I believe. What's going on, Andrew Cameron? Good to see you, bro. Dave Digital, Crypto Rob. Good morning. Thank you guys for being here, smacking up those like buttons. Lots of otters in the chat. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Good to see you, Al Jr., Curtis Hill, Empire Trades. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Niels, what's going on, man? How you been? Daniel, good morning. It's weird. Everybody's name's a bit weird. It's like they're full. What's going on, Farmer? Good to see you, man. I love that the sandwich joke is still running, man. It never ends, bro. 3 years running. Wayne C's wife made him a good sandwich, and it will continue to go. Lighty. We're calling DDT Lighty from now on. Everybody's name is really weird in here. Jesse, Trade, what's going on? Bernie, good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Do you have an open position or waiting for a good entry? We're always looking for a good entry. I scalp Saeed, so for me, I'm not typically holding entries, okay? Unless it's a swing trade on like an altcoin or something we take in the Discord, but typically looking for entries. Always looking for entries. I think that's the best part about this show is that we're always ready to trade, basically. Coming into the morning market. Okay, and when I do swing trade, it'll be on a different exchange so that I am still free to trade on my main exchange, which is Bitunix. And if you do want to use the link down below, you can for Bitunix. We have a VIP 3 sale right now if you do want to sign up. I do appreciate it. Dr. Goat, Jesse Good Luck, what's going on? David Brumbelow, my man, airdropper, Dr. Goat. We're gonna Clay the Great is called Dr. Goat. Hooty hoo, what's going on, Dr. Goat? Everybody, Clay the Great. Oh man. Break even day yesterday, Niels. Break even day, man. So we're pretty much up a couple $100 for the week. Wasn't a big week for me. It was a good recovery though. I mean, getting down a couple grand in the beginning of the week and then being able to have a very good Wednesday. Pretty much a nothing burger, up like $200 yesterday, and now we're sitting here break even. So not bad. I mean, for the summer lull and like the amount of price action, I find it's not. Let's go. He found his headphones. It's not a bad place to be break even. Albert Rajag, Gook. I think, for me this week, I've been in good trade setups. I haven't held them long enough. Okay, I've exited too early. Okay, because it's slow. And I feel almost like I'm forcing trades this week. The trade setups are there. It's just like once I see the setup and I take the trade, it's like, oh my God, is this thing going to go or what? Right? It's one of those. So I don't know who the heck are all these people, man. I don't know if you're a lurker or not, but I'm going to call you guys lurkers. All these weird like names in my chat now. Do I have to, maybe if I close this and pop it open again? No, it's not. Reload this thing. Nope, everybody's name's still weird. YouTube's having a hiccup. They demonetized the channel. Good to see you, Steve Hickey. God bless, bro. Thank you for the orders, man. Golden Child, good to see you, Wayne C. Wix Wife 589. Let's go, baby. Let's go. David Brumbelow, Adrian. What's going on, Dummy Matrix? Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for saying good morning, being in the chat, hanging out here. Live chat. A lot of break even. Yeah, it's been a tricky week, everybody. It's been a ciao bello. Good morning, lurkers. Testing. Yeah, see, everybody's name is Unholy Audio Channel. See? I know all of your tags now. Behold my weird name. Emmy Hero. Everybody's. You're actually 1 hour up. Good job, Unholy. Hi, I'm in danger. Uh-oh. How are you in danger? Morning from Dan Bartley. Dan and Hat. Let's go, Bartley, baby. I'm learning everybody's Wally. See, I'm learning everybody's actual. Say hi to the like button. That's the one, man. No lurking here. The real wave saper. All right. People are doxing themselves, yeah. Careful with your real names and stuff like that, guys. You don't want to... I mean, people know my real name. I'm not... It's on their bill. If they're in the Discord. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Oh, shoot. Good recovery. Bang, 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 bang. Everything coming down negatively. Negative 0.4. Not looking too good. I saw it flash. See how it reacts. NASDAQ still ripping. Doesn't care. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit this morning. Coming back down, retesting that VWAP, rolling over here. So everything coming in a lot worse than expected here. A lot worse. We didn't want to see it coming in this bad. Maybe Chair Powell should cut rates, but he's slacking. He is slacking. Bitcoin rolling over this morning, coming down right now. Everything coming in negative Nancy. Okay, so we did get some good data here, which is suggesting that we are not doing so hot. People spending, people not earning. Retail hurting, baby. Retail is hurting. Coming down into the lows here. See if we get an SFP. Look for a little sweep and pop, baby. If we get a sweep and pop, we could be considering a long. But this isn't the greatest news right now. Okay, looks like we're rolling over. We got the NASDAQ rolling over a little bit right now. Okay, we'll see how this SPY opens this morning. Should be interesting, but Bitcoin, I mean, for the amount of volatility we have, this is dumping, baby. This is dumping. Okay, coming down, sweeping all the late longs. Coming down, let's see if it does want to continue to roll over here, if we're going to get a bounce back. I would expect down, though, with something like this. Retesting the highs here on the NQ. So this is definitely a bounce level that we should be interested in. That could translate into a bounce on Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin tends to always go a bit further, though. Always remember that. It's more volatile, which means, you know, even if this is rolling over, we could see Bitcoin go further down, right? Into the liquidity of the lows, quite possible. Losing VWAP quite aggressively. Looking for a bounce here. I'm going to get rid of this stupid line here. Regression trend. Okay. We do have a daily pivot down below here. Previous day pivots down low. And then some targets up high as well. So coming back up to 107 if we are going to bounce and continue up. Little patience here, everybody. Thank you for being here on the live with me. Getting some data, whatever you want to call it. Okay, nice bounce here for Biddy. Retesting the lows. Retesting the lows. Can it continue up? Nice sweep. May consider a long here. I mean, I think it would be forced, but I would like to see a retracement in here. Got a nice bounce on the NASDAQ. Still waiting here. I like the bounce on the NASDAQ. Might take a little stab here, guys. No trade yet. Still waiting. $12-minute trigger wave. Could push here. We could push up into the golden pocket. Okay. Let's go, Biddy. See if we push. No trade here, just waiting. Considering a long still. Might go half a position size here. I like this retracement. It would just be a long wait, everybody. If we got long here, it would be a long wait. No trade yet. Still waiting here. $300 people in here. Thank you for being here. What's going on, Lucky? What's going on, Curtis Hill? Good morning. Adrian. Jimmy, good morning. Everybody with their OG name in here. What isn't an SFP and BOP? I'm not sure what you're asking there, my friend. Nice bounce. Can it go? No trade. VWAP's right there. If we push through VWAP and flip it, maybe. But like, if we get into a trade right now, we got a little bit of volume, right? So if we get into a trade right now, we're asking for, in my opinion, a little bit of trouble. Maybe we should go over and trade NASDAQ today. We're in the middle of this range here. We have the liquidity below us, the golden pocket above us, the previous day pivot here, previous day pivot down below. So if we are trying to trade the buns, not the hot dog, we are looking to take the trades up here and down here. This would be buying the middle of the range. This can get you into trouble. So we wait, unfortunately. I know. We got the most price action we've seen in days. The most. Because when it does go, it goes. But my God, is it not going right now? Okay, so let's wait a bit more. We'll see how the SPY opens this morning. What's the ES saying? The ES is ramping, man. This thing is ripping to the upside. Constant bid all the way up here, so that's strong. Then the Russell looks really good as well. The dollar's dying, very good as well. Okay, so these are all positive things. The VIX is very low. Okay. Altcoins struggling. We know that. Okay, Steve Ruggles on the altcoins hitting major resistance yesterday. Just not going, right? Bitcoin led season, so rotation will happen, just not when we want it, obviously. Ethereum still, we gave the setup down here, but struggling. Sui trying to bounce. Solana trying to bounce. Nice sweep of the lows here at 137. Look at that key level. I mean, if you're in our Discord, my God, look at that. Right to the teats, man. Incredible. Jasmine bouncing. Say's doing pretty good. Ondo holding 73. Yeah, that's good. That's strength there on Ondo. Fartcoin coming down to our buy level as well. Okay. Virtual rugging us. Keep coming down, virtual. My God. And then Pengu. The one. I don't know. Pengu's, I don't know. It's my chosen one, okay? Looks like we're continuing to roll over here, friends. So looking to come for the lows, 106.3. Currently at 106.7. Trying to get a 107.2, which is our golden pocket, okay? So stuck in the middle of the range. We have liquidity to sweep at 106.6 for all those listening in. Thank you for listening in and driving and not trading at the same time. But we're currently at 106.7, looking to get a sweep at 106.6 or a sweep at 106.4. If we get that and then we reclaim the range, we can get long. Okay, if we do retrace back up to 107.200, that would be our previous day pivot as well and our golden pocket. So right now, middle of the range, chopping about, no trade to be had, just a little bit of patience in here. Our bias with Market Cipher right now is we have a 1 hour trigger wave trying to push up. Whether we get an SFP or not is up to the price action. Okay, so bleeding out money flow, which is normal. We're flagging down. We have lots of liquidity coming in our lows. So our main retracement level we're looking is 105.9 to 105.6. If we retrace down there, I would be definitely looking for a potential bounce. If we come down, I would be looking for that. That would be great. But patience will prevail. Okay. Bleeding out, tons of liquidity below us. Really, like, if we come down to 104, that wouldn't be surprising. But a big volume node at 105.9, 105.6. So that's my first stop in the road. And then the liquidity above us sweeping all these highs as well, all the way up to the high of this range, which is 108.200. Our 4 hour does look a bit bearish. Money flow crossover to the downside. Momentum wave coming down. Okay, so be aware of that. And the 12 hour is starting to roll over a little bit too with red money flow. So be aware that coming into this weekend, we could get a little bit of a correction coming down. Looks like Bitcoin's rolling over right now as we speak. Good thing we did not take that long in the middle of the range, everybody. Coming down for the low right now as we speak. We'll see if we do tap this and bounce for potential SFP. 290 people here. Thank you guys for being here. 100 likes. If we could get that up, that would be great. Got to get up those rookie numbers all the time. Front running that SFP here on the dump. Looks like NASDAQ's rolled over too, coming down to test the lows of the range now. Okay, level to level, right? Next level down below there. We got I would say a little bit higher. We have this order block in here, so I would say retesting this high alongside the order block would be ideal if we are going to bounce. Bitcoin, slow and methodical, man. It's a summer lull right now. VIX is low. Volatility is low. So I thank you guys for sticking with me and trudging through this price action. It is not easy. It requires a lot of patience and a lot of hand sitting. This is where alarms are very useful. So you can set an alarm at the SFP. You can set an alarm at your golden pocket. And you can go and do life. Unless trading is life, man. But whatever you're into, man. David Brumbelow in the chat. What's going on? Paper planes, breakfast, taco time. Ben Cowan predicts return to bull market support band in Q3. What do you think? I think Ben Cowan's a very smart individual, and he has had some good calls. And anything is possible, man. Anything's possible. I think it's for me. It's not to be predictive. It's to be reactive, right? And that's how I typically treat trading. Spot bags versus trading bags must be separate, right? They must be. You can't be juggling the two unless you're rotating profits from trading into spot bags. Okay? Not the other way around. You should always have a float account. That's what I have. So if I keep 10K on the exchange or I trade with 10K, I'll have a float of like 50K elsewhere. Okay? If I need to top up, but generally I don't. And then you go from there, right? But there should be a different strategy for your spot bags versus your HODL besides your trading, right? You trade to make a wage. You spot bag to make an investment. Okay? That's a very different animal. You should be using different tools. Maybe you only buy when the weekly is oversold, right? Maybe you only buy one of the best tools for buying. Look at that. You buy here, you buy here, you buy here, you buy here. I'd say these are pretty good buy levels. When the weekly is oversold, you would have bought here. You can make it as simple as possible. Just using a simple indicator. And you would be catching bottoms, man. You'd be the booty snatcher, man. Okay? Look at that front run. That is disgusting. This is still coming down, everybody. I'm sorry to tell you. This is a wick test right now. Wick test short. This will be a wick test short, but it's not something I'm looking to trade. We're too close to bounce levels, so. Wick to wick here into liquidity. That would be a wick test short right there. If you don't know what a wick test is, go watch the video in the Discord. Pretty sweet scalping strategy. Okay. I'm not taking this trade, but this is a wick test. Wick to wick, three candle structure pattern right here. Wick to wick. Downtrend, looking for continuation. Look at that. It played out quite nicely so far. For me right now, we're too close to the SFP to justify taking this wick test, right? Like, this is not the move that I would like to get. I would like to get a little bit more than that in comparison to where my stop should be. Okay? Remember, when you're setting up a trade, you must always account for your R multiple. Okay? Always. What is your risk to reward? Am I taking a short here to go to here? This is your R multiple right now. It's pretty shit, right? I haven't added to my swear jar in a while. I guess we'll go back to this. We did pay out. I guess we'll say shit, shitty, bang, bang. Okay, there you go, YouTube. Take that. Okay, it's for the people. This is a people's channel, man. The people's champion. The people's eyebrow. It doesn't matter what your name is. Shed it to 90s kids, man. Oh, man. I just wanted to add some money to the swear jar. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. More activity in a sloth. The RR is how billionaires become millionaires. Yeah, man. When mod stream, how do you contribute now? Well, I will trade for the mods on Monday. Monday will be the mod stream. And I guess we'll have to do like a. I don't know how we're gonna contribute. We'll have to have a mod donation center or something. An address. We'll have to get an address and then ship them out if anybody wants to contribute to the mods. I will trade for my mods, obviously, and then hopefully the price moves a bit more. At minimum, we got 7, 8 mods that we have, and we always give them $50 a month, so always minimum. So we try to do our best. I'm not sure how we're going to do the mod stream on Monday. I'll have to have a think about it. Maybe we'll just use Tony Soprano's address. I'm sure he wouldn't mind the donations. But we'll figure it out. We'll find a system. Yeah, we'll have to do a wallet address, BTC address. You smell what the Rock is cooking? That's it. Thanks, DDT. You're too kind, man. You're too kind. I got the rest of my money in at 98.4. Good job, man. Yeah. I bought at 81 in front of I told everybody, so I bought at 81 on the dip, which was pretty sweet. And I've bought some more altcoins I've added to my bags, but averaging down some of my other picks and then adding to my winners, so still waiting here, everybody. Alexandra asked if you please would smack up those like buttons. That would be greatly appreciated. On a beautiful Friday like this, hanging out with you guys. Does appear Naz is holding. Will Bitcoin hold here? That is the question. Will Bitcoin hold? I have a nice momentum wave to the upside here on the 3-minute. 24 looks a little bit overextended. We got a little really weird looking Jesus take the wheel starting here on the 12. Still got room to the downside on the 12 here. Big bearish engulfing candle of the range. It's pretty ugly. The hourly coming into 9 o'clock, still pointing down, friends. So mixed signals. I don't like how it's front ran this low. We are getting a little bit of a push up here. The NAS is flat. Anything really outperforming? I don't see much things outperforming. Coinbase been doing really well. Look at that, everybody. Holy smokes. Coinbase is flying. Tesla flying. Hitting that major resistance, though, at 350. Gold flat. Okay. Haven't looked at gold in a while. Still holding this massive trend line. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit right now. Continuation down. Continuation down. News data. Patience. Just in PCE, inflation rose 2.3% year over year in line with expectations. And the 3-month annualized rate of core PCE shows inflation dropping 1.7%, the lowest rate since December. All right. That's pretty cool, man. Bitcoin continued to roll over here. I mean, roll over. Move two little blips. Do you guys have any summer holiday plans? I'm going to England July 11th. Are you guys going to be taking any vacations? Maybe go to the beach with the family? Any vacation plans? I'm going to be in bloody England. Going to eat some strawberries. Strawberries. I'm doing 10 days in England. You'll be in Florida next week. Awesome, man. That's great. I've never been to Florida. I'd love to go just golf for like a month in Florida. That would be awesome. Looks like the Wick test is playing. I do not trade meme coins, no. Go to my family in Austria. That's so cool, man. And Tunisia in autumn. Beautiful. Here's that SFP. Coming down, baby. Bitcoin rolling over. Looks like that short would have played, everybody. The short would have played. SFP now. Can we bounce? That is the question. I would like to see the bounce here, but we'll see. We could come for the lower liquidity. This will give us bull divs. Stockholm, then Rome. I've been to Rome, not Stockholm, though. That's pretty cool, man, Binksy. That should be fun. Should be lots of fun, man. I might go to Dance Valley. Where's Dance Valley, Jesse? I've never heard of Dance Valley. I'm in Elba in July. Elba sounds cool, man. If you still had money around, in which spots would you be invested in? I'm talking about 5K. I don't know, man. I think you're waiting for a pullback in altcoin season. I think you want confirmation on alts, really. You're not. I wouldn't be backing up the truck just yet, man. You're coming to visit me, DDT, man. You and Sniper are going to drive out? I got to message you guys and figure something out. But I'm there from the 11th to the 22nd, so in the West Midlands. In the West Midlands, mate. Should be fun. Hopefully we can meet up. I'll buy you a beer. Buy you 3. Or a pint, as you guys would say. I'll be in Tampa. Don't forget to drink a lot of bottled water. It's bottled water. I like a good bottled water. Bottled water is always good, man. This does not look like it's going to bounce, guys. Captain Kirk, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for saying good morning. Going out camping at some hot spring in the Olympic National Forest. That's cool, man. I better bring Starlink so I can secretly be trading inside my... He's just got the setup in the tent. I've seen some like people with the setup in the tent, man. That's trade market open, then go for a hike on your bike. On your bike for a hike. Oh, man, too funny. What's the Nas doing here? SFP of the low. I think we might have to come down here, guys. We might just have to come down here. Bull div in here. This is not looking good. This looks like continuation down. See if we get a bounce here. Pretty aggressive downwards here, so you might get a little retracement back up into like these lows. I'd still be looking down here. Just bleeding out, right? Bleeding out, look at that. NASDAQ rolling over quite aggressively here. Oh, nice pushback here. Go on, Bitcoin, do your thing. Do your thing, Bitcoin. Run, baby, run. NASDAQ SFP. Retesting that box. I don't know, man. Don't forget your Starlink. That's awesome, Golden Child. I think you should. I think you should send us some photos. Be like, the wife went to the outhouse. I just bought some more Bitcoin. It's still like lower, guys. Where else are you guys going? So I'm moving in August, so I'm full on moving. I've got the ice truck for my igloo. I'm moving the house. I got the ice truck and the polar bear cage for transporting everything. Hopefully they don't mind. Where else are you guys going? Any other plans? I'm going to Rome with my girlfriend for her birthday. Any recommendations? So in Rome, you got to do... If you're doing Rome, you're not doing any more of Italy, right? So there's plenty to do in Rome. Obviously, you got to do the Colosseum. The Pantheon is the coolest building around. If you like architecture, the Pantheon is a must-see. Okay? The dome ceiling is incredible. The Pantheon is definitely something you must see. When I went there, I really liked just the small, like, stay off the main strips. Try to find some like nice pizza places. You got to do the Colosseum. You got to do the like. There's the, like, where they used to have, like, the gallery, the meeting. So it's the forum. It's called the Roma Forum. It's really cool. The Trevi Fountain is meh. Okay? The Trevi Fountain it's nice, but it's so popular that everybody there, you're probably going to get hit in the head with a penny. You know, everybody throwing their wishes. But do the Trevi. The Trevi Fountain was good. At the end of the day, you got to go to the Vatican. Okay, that's where you got to go. If you want to see money, St. Peter's Basilica, where God touches man, Michelangelo. You walk into St. Peter's Basilica, okay? You walk into it's the most eerie thing I've ever done. You walk in there, right? And you're in the Vatican. It's loud, it's noisy, and everybody's chattering, blah 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 blah. Then you walk in to the church where Michelangelo painted God touching man with the finger. That painting, he painted it on his back on a scaffold, okay? You walk in there, and it's quiet. It's quiet, and you just sit there, and everybody's looking at the ceiling. And you're like, how the F did someone paint this thing, man? And it's breathtaking. It's the Sistine Chapel is insane. Okay? You go in there and your mind just explodes. Okay? Everybody needs to do it. Don't debate it. Just go and do it. If you want to be, the Vatican Museum's beautiful as well, but you walk into that little chapel, you can't even see the floor. Everybody's just looking up. It's so cool, man. So cool. I got gladiator sand. Don't do what I did. I should be banned from Italy. See this? This is 2013 when I went to Italy right here. You see? Colosseum, 2013. So I was 23. This is from this sand here. It's a pretty lame container. I should probably put it in something. It's gladiator sand, okay? This is gladiator sand. There's blood and sweat and lions in that sand. Anyways. I love that stuff, man. Don't do what I did, okay? You get in trouble. You get kicked out. If everybody took sand out of the Colosseum, there'd be no Colosseum. Let's just be real, okay? I tied my shoe and put it in my water bottle, okay? Looks like we might push here, guys. Downtrending momentum lost. Coming into market open, 908. Patience will prevail here. I don't know if this is sufficient. I'd like to hit this pivot, man. 106.4. 106.450. That would be ideal. If we can come down there, that would be good. But right now we're getting a little pushback on the Bitcoin. Coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let me hear about your summer plans. What are you looking to do? Luke Zaldana. I know you, bro. With your weird name. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here, Luke Zaldana. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons as well. It means a lot to me. In these slow times, you guys supporting the channel. Nice push here for Biddy. Let's go, baby. We getting a bounce? No? Okay. Trapping late shorts. Trapping late shorts here. Nice push. What's going on, Wander? Mama? Should I open long? You got to make that choice for yourself, my friends. Good morning, Captain Kirk. Good to see you guys. Jesse, good luck. I took a pill and a visa for a week. You got to go for 2 weeks, Jesse, because you're going to forget what happened the first week. I'm taking the kids out to the lake for the weekend. I need a break from the insanity. That's beautiful, man. Got to go to the lake. Make sure you get that bug spray out. July 18th, me and the missus heading to Punta Cana for 1 week of sandals, beach, pool, plants, and not giving a bleep. Let's go. That's going to be fun, man. Watch that rum. They spike that rum, bro. They make it weaker so you drink more. And then you buy more food. I don't know. All inclusive. That's going to be nice, man. Watch that Cuban sun. It can burn you good. It can burn you good. Rome on a Sunday forecast. Very hot. Nice. Gorilla concert in Poland. That's cool, man. Guten Morgen, gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Love it. Love it from Germany. Have you sold the house or are you keeping? We keep the house. Always keep the house. Should I open long? I don't know, Mohammed. We're getting a nice SFP bounce right now. It's looking strong. Getting the friction on. NASDAQ rolling over. Bitcoin pushing up. A little bit of contrarian things going on here. Gold dumping. We got lots of risk on happening throughout the market. Maybe Bitcoin's turn to go. S&P flying. All-time highs. Just nipping at it. Nipping at the all-time highs. We are literally, we missed it by, what's the high? 146.52. Oh, we missed it by like 70 cents. That's funny. That's funny. We missed the all-time high by 70 cents. Interesting. NASDAQ getting smacked up. Bitcoin trying to push here. Let me know in the chat, is anybody long or short here? I mean, you could have got long off this SFP. Let me know. Also, I'm curious, where are you guys going for your summer vacations? Rome in the summer is not the best. Yeah, always go to Italy in September, October. Don't go to Venice in the summer, man. You'll regret it. Nice. You're going to the F1 in Austin? That's sick, bro. That'll be fun. Beware of pickpockets in Rome. Yep, they're everywhere. And those people trying to sell you flowers, man. Run away from those people. September is a good time to go, man. The Vatican wealth, yeah, it's crazy, man. You've never seen wealth like you see in the Vatican, bro. Like a marble column the size of like the CN Tower. It's crazy. It's crazy. No worries, Binksy. What's going on? Brewberry TA, my friends. 811 subscribers. Brewberry. Let's try and get him to 1,000. This is one of our teachers, our instructors in our Discord. Guys, we're going to do a giveaway. I'll give away a month. Let's just go over here and subscribe to Brewberry. Let's go and type Otter Gang over here. This is the most kind and loving man in all of crypto. His name is Brew. He's one of our Discord traders. He does live streams for us and helps out the gang every single day. Smart money concept trader. Very intelligent man. You can see he has all his setups and all his chat in here. And he, I got to meet him in Vegas, man. He's one of the kindest humans that I know. He's been with us from day one. He gave it away for free forever. I'm glad to give him a bit of money every month now for doing what he does, man. So if we could go over to Brewberry's channel and subscribe. We're gonna just go over there and comment Otter Gang. We'll do a giveaway today because you guys putting up with this slow price action. You guys deserve it. So go over here. Brew is an absolute legend. We love Brew. And let's go over here and smack up the like button, subscribe. Everybody go over here and comment Otter Gang. Let's see if we can get those subscribers up. He goes live almost every single day for our Discord here. Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's see those comments blast off. Let's see the subscriptions blast off. I mean, this guy, he puts it all on the line. He always helping us. Great human. He's trying to help me on my spinning back kick, okay? Because he is a karate master as well. Get over there, comment Otter Gang, subscribe to the channel. You almost had 1,000 subs, man. That's pretty cool. And you not even trying, bro. you just showing up, bro, and I love it, man. God bless you, man. I love you too, man. Bitcoin trying to go here, failing to go. Okay. Everybody going over there, commenting, Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's go, Brewberry. Let's see all the Otter gangs in here. And if you are part of our community already, you better be subscribed to Brewberry. And you can still win some USDT. Okay. Comment picker. Nose picker. That's what we are. I'm already premium. It's all sauce. Yeah, I know, right? It's pretty sweet in that Discord, man. I don't know, just a great group of people, man. We crush it. We work together, and we have lots of fun. It's very efficient, I would say. Looks like Bitcoin's getting a bounce here, everybody. Anybody in that long? What do we got here? Anybody in that long? Short. No longs? Okay. Going to Lake Balaton with the family? Beautiful, man. That'll be fun. When you coming to Florida, brother? As soon as they'll let me come there and golf, bro. I got to do a Florida golf trip one day. Looks like we are pushing right now. Bitcoin ripping. Nice recovery for Nas. If we can get a higher high, like a market structure shift here, if we can get the higher high and then a retrace, that would be where we looking for the long, everybody. No trade yet. Still waiting here. I got to come to Florida, man. Everybody's saying go to Florida. It's hard to make those decisions. Yeah, it is. What's going on, Gains for Life? Good to see you, man. Lion and Gladiator. That's the one, man. That's the one. It's all about that. Waiting. Good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I haven't been to Chicago. No. I haven't done a lot of the states, to be honest. I've done Vegas. I've done Washington. I've done New York, and that's it. I haven't done a lot of the states. I've done everywhere else, basically. I've done Bali. I've done Portugal. I've done Greece. I've done England. I've done Scotland. I've done Australia. Go to Florida to go people watching. I love good people watching. We all go over here and comment Otter Gang and subscribe to Brewberry. It's the last call for the... Great golfing in Florida, and there's nothing if you're walking around there. You got gators, though. We got bears, but you got gators. Add Yosemite? Yeah, I definitely want to do Yosemite. I'm a sucker for a mountain, man. I'm a sucker for a mountain. All right, going over to the comment picker here. Hopefully you guys have all subscribed to Brewberry over here. I'm going to refresh it. Okay. Good job, everybody. All right, we got the video. We got the filter. Otter Gang. You better comment Otter or you don't get anything. 15 seconds. What's 7 and 9, everybody? I'm gonna get some comments. Only 35 comments. You guys don't like free stuff, eh? I'll give you 5. I'll give you 2 more minutes here. Go over there, comment. Otter Gang over here. Gators can't hurt us. Not when we're used to polar bears. You know, when one of the funniest things that when me and my wife moved to England, I Googled what is the most dangerous animal in England. Besides the people, it's a badger. It's a badger. A badger, guys. Watch out for them. Watch out for them badgers. They're pesky little animals. Now Australia. Now that's a different breed, right? That's a different breed. All right. Here we go, baby. Otter gang. Just come over to the Discord, claim your reward. Thank you for supporting the channel. God bless every single one of you guys. There you go. Spermium Sand. We won't call you Mr. Sandman. Greetings from Germany. Krakenhausen wagon thingy. God bless, man. Come over to the Discord. Congratulations on your win. Come over to the chat over here. And congratulations, Mr. Sand. The S Pure Neum Pernim Sand. Congratulations. Winner, chicken dinner. Lurker. I don't think it's a lurker. Sharkfin said what I was thinking. Congratulations, sperm in the sand. Oh, man. I kind of like this here. Higher low continuation trade here. Bounce on the NAS. Continuation up. Kind of like this here. I can't believe you said what I was thinking, Sharkfin. That's very unprofessional of me. I should probably be demonetized. You guys are ruthless. You guys are ruthless. Oh, man. Congratulations on your win. Coming into market open, we got 7 minutes, everybody. Looking for a pushback here, actually, on Bitcoin. Right now, we're getting a V-shaped recovery, hopefully, on the NAS. Coming into market open. We'll see. Do you think we're going to gap up here? Let's say all-time highs for the S&P. Maybe we pump. Rookie numbers, baby. We'll see if we do pump. Okay? I do like this SFP right now. Can we get a higher low continuation trade possibility coming into market open up into VWAP, middle of the range, kind of down at the lows here? We could possibly see a pushback, but a little bit of patience here. Let's see if we do want to find something, some sort of continuation. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you are new. God bless every single one of you guys for being here and hanging out. Sperm in the Sand is your food processor's brand? Oh, okay. In the UK, Surfer USA. That's the same in Canada, man. Oh, man. Otter 16. I think people are commenting on the wrong video. Gang. What's going on, everybody? 10 minutes till market opens. Yeah, 6 minutes now. Mr. Pink. The Pinkertons. So weird that everybody's like YouTube name is here now. I'd like to see follow through here. Got a little trigger wave here. This would be cool. No trade yet. Still waiting. Patience is all we got here, guys. Patience is it. A little bit of a rollover since the data. 12-minute getting very overextended to the downside, suggesting a pushback, possibly. We do have liquidity in the lows here. That wouldn't be surprised if we did sweep. And if we're going to continue down, 105,900 would be our first stop. Okay. However, I would like to see this even up into here. I mean, downtrending momentum here. You can go from high to low or high to high here, right? Come back up to this, possibly. But I would prefer this. This would be ideal if we that would be better. But it doesn't mean we're necessarily going to get it, okay? You can track this one as well. A little bit of a rollover here. 3 minutes till market opens, everybody. I'd like to see this low hold, but maybe not enough volume in this low, right? We had the volume sweep here, volume decreasing, a little bit of absorption, but not much. Pretty aggressive few candles here coming down against us, so it's the story of the life, man. We wait. If we start pushing back here and engulfing this candle, we could possibly consider a long here. I do like the recovery on the NASDAQ. It's just a little risky coming into market open here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up those likes. How many people we got in here? How many? I don't even know. I don't think I had a... I didn't think I had my studio open. I don't think I have my studio open, so I can't even see how many of you guys are here lurking. How many we got lurking in here? We got... Oh, man, we got almost 400 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. 400 people in here, 170 likes. You guys are incredible. Thank you for smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new. If you are new here, welcome. We're live 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every single Monday to Friday. Trading Bitcoin live, hanging out with you guys. Market open, scalping, hanging out, kicking ass, taking names. Trying to turn 25 into 50K. We'll see if we do it. We said do. Just treating this like the office, man. We all hang out here and try our best to practice good risk management, take high probability trade setups on a daily basis, being as transparent as possible in a world full of degenerate, funny people. Okay? I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel and hanging out here. If you do want to take your trading further, come over and hang out in the Discord. That's where it's all at, man. That's where it's all at. We kicking ass, taking names. We do have a Discord live today after the stream, so that will be fun. We'll go over some stuff, lots of lessons, lots of teaching, sharing everything I know with you guys, and hopefully we can all continue to prosper together. 30 seconds till market opens, everybody. Thank you for being here. Look at all these beautiful people, man. Jesse, Saphir, Brave Dave, Touche, good morning to you guys. Thank you for saying good morning. Gang, gang, gang. Django's already trading. Django's got that itchy trigger finger, man. Always trading. Are you short Django or what? What are you doing? What's your forecast? TRX. Yeah. No comment. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. TRX. Ding, 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 ding. All-time high for S&P. Let's go, baby. All-time high for the S&P, baby. Big recovery. Looking for it. Can we get it? Market is open. Can we push? Can we push? That is the question. Or are we going to zero? Stuck in the middle with you. Ding, 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 ding. S&P looking strong. NASDAQ looking strong. See how it reacts this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. Considering a long, but damn, I think we might have to hold off. It's a little bit volatile. Okay, let's see. Maybe the orb will give us something. We got liquidity down at these lows in here, possibly returning back up to VWAP here. It's kind of indecision right now. I'd like to see the push, but I mean, we don't always get what we like to see, right? It's always uncertain. Chopping about here this morning. Oh, rolling over on the Nas. Could be dangerous for Bitcoin here. Chopping pretty aggressively. Pretty aggressive here on the NASDAQ. No real decision. Big old dump on the NASDAQ. Bitcoin flat. Bitcoin pretty flat. Rolling over. Big SFP. Look at that. Big dump on NASDAQ. That's pretty big considering, you know, where we started. Bitcoin looks like it wants to roll over as well. We do have anchored trigger wave here on Bitcoin, so that could push us up, but okay, nice pushback here. Nice candle. That's a good candle for Bitcoin. I like that candle. I might buy that candle. Not yet. Still waiting here. Considering a long here. I'm in. I don't know about you guys, but I'm in. Stop loss to entry. Looking for a continuation here. See if we can push. Come on, Betty. Don't be a namby-pamby. Retest to highs. Continuation up. Market open, baby. Could get stopped out here. Quick, whatever, $50. I mean, with this market right now, you take what you can, right? We got the anchor trigger wave down here. Looking for follow through here. No follow through, right? You can't win them all. This is a winner, but it's still like, okay. Okay. Don't tell anybody about that, okay? I thought we were getting stopped out there. We gonna get stopped out here. Come on. Let's be real. SPY all-time high. Yeah, man. Pretty wild. All right, stopped out there. On to the next one, baby. GG's. 50 bucks. One of those days, man. It's one of those days. It's going to rip now. Now it's going to go to the moon, right? Our big old 0.1% move, everybody. Congratulations, everybody. I guess a win is a win. Link for the Discord's down below there, my friend. Incredible Discord if you do want to join it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We teach all of this stuff in the Discord as well. Incredible group of people. You get access to 5 traders as well. Myself, Kyle, Brewberry, CVO, HRJ, signals, setups, live streams, the whole plethora, constant attention, small group of traders, all focused on getting better. Tons of lessons, tons of live streams, Fibonacci lessons, VWAP lessons, momentum lessons, alongside with signals and trade setups and all that stuff. We'd love to have you, man. Come over to the free section, hang out. Look at this thing ripped to the upside now. Okay, maybe I should have let the trade play a little bit. Good momentum here. Good recovery for the NAS as well. Mitigation of a high, so now we can look for a rejection here and possible continuation trade. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. Let me know. You guys are in a trade. Are you long off of this thing? Or are you just waiting? Trading is waiting, too. I mean, being patient in this situation is always a good time. Saving your money, preserving your capital. This is never financial advice. We're just degenerate Canadian carpenter guy who just hanging out here, man. Long up 350. Good job, Crusader. Long, long, long. Good job, everybody. I guess I helped guide you with my non-financial advice. Let's go. Let's go. I love it, man. I love seeing you guys win, man. That's the thing. Is that I ain't greedy, man. We all here to work together. We got bull divs in here. We got an SFP of the low. We got a nice little bottoming structure in here. And a continuation up, right? Coming into VWAP for a slap right now. Now, if I went short, would you close your trade? That's what I want to know. Because this is your trading journey. I'm going short. You guys will all be like, okay, flip short. Oh, man. Long dong silver, baby. It's long dong silver, Dusty. Come on, man. We demonetized. We can swear here. I like the confluence with the NAS, okay? Confluence with the SPY opening up bullishly. The NASDAQ sweeping and pumping. Okay, lots of confluence in this move here. It came for this low here. The liquidity in this low. That's interesting. Bitcoin coming back. You guys better pay yourselves. Remember where the liquidity resides, okay? Dixie rolling over. Nope, recovering. Okay. Could be bearish. Could be bearish here. The most volume we've seen all week, baby. Let's go. Possible retest of previous highs. Continuation trade right here. I think it's a trap. I think it's a trap. I think it's coming lower. That's just me. But what do I know? Looking for follow through here for the gang, baby. Let's go. Gotta pump it. Rookie numbers. Setting up a weekend trap? Yeah, possibly. You know, a big old, I would like a gap down for the weekend and then we get a bullish CME gap going into Monday or Sunday. That would be pretty cool. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 420 people in here. Almost 200 likes. If we could get a whole bunch of likes, maybe we'll do another giveaway. If we can get up to like 300 likes, 75% of you, if we can get to 300 likes, we'll do another giveaway. Yeah. We're at 197 right now. I think we can get to 300. I think you guys are all slacking there on your phones and you don't want to press back and like. I think you can do that. Because you're part of the gang, man. You guys are here hanging out. Thank you for being here. Taking one trade today. Up $50. It's one of those days, everybody. It's one of those days. Looks like we're getting a little bit of continuation here, trying to push. Same with the Nas. Yeah, it's all looking okay right now. Slow, baby. It's slow. It's slow and beautiful. We'll probably flag out here a little bit and then try to pop. We'll see how orb is. We got 2 minutes till orb. Stalling out here. I don't like when it stalls out. We'll say we got follow through for the Nas. S&P's flat. Dominance is dropping a tiny bit, not much. Got a little push for altcoins. Sui up 2%. SEI is ripping again. Up 13% for the day. I think I got something in my eye. I'm running low on coffee, too. You guys are pushing it. So right now, what are we looking for, everybody? So we got a high. A higher high. Looking for a higher low. Chopping within this area. Right back into where we're very choppy, right? You can see that from this morning. This is Chop City, right? Okay, if we zoom out, and we take a look here, right? And we just look at basically our weekly range. I mean, since Tuesday, but basically we are coming into heavy resistance, okay? We're reclaiming the value area low, which suggests we can rotate to the value area high if we hold. So we could be looking at this to come all the way back up to 107.7. Possibly. We are making a string of lower highs, suggesting downtrend. But what typically happens within this is that we come up and we sweep it and then we dump. Typically. However, we've had multiple bearish divergent sweeps, bearish divergent sweep, okay? We have a little bit of liquidity below us here, but major liquidity below us at 105.8, okay? Nice order block, nice area here for us to come down to. Everybody's got their hopium slippers on. You know, those big old Croc slippers, you know, the ones with the fuzz and all that stuff on them. Everybody's a little bit euphoric and wanting this thing to pump to Valhalla. And I think that's a little bit unreasonable when we have ripped like this and we have liquidity below us. I think this is more interesting than up here. So we'll see what happens, but right now not looking too good. Looks like we've come back up for late shorts and we're rolling over. So those who are in longs, be careful, please. We have our orb set. Coming to lower orb. Coming for those late longs, right? Careful with your position here. Rolling over quite aggressively. Nasdaq still ripping. SFP of the low. Failed orb breakout. Are we going to get the same one as yesterday? Failed orb reclaim. That would be great. For today, I would take that all day if we do this. That would be the most bullish setup I think we could get right now. That was a very sneaky rollover. This was very sneaky. Very sneaky rollover. Hard to see that short. Probably a golden pocket here. Retracement. High to low. 7. Yeah, perfect golden pocket retracement. Nasty. SFP of the low again. Still rolling over here, everybody. Still waiting. Considering a short. No trade yet. If we can bounce back up, retest the lows, I would most likely short here. Steve Ruggles on NASDAQ rolling over here. 12-minute clean rejection. Very bearish candle here. Very bearish candle. Big old rejection. We look for it to retrace halfway up the candle and continue downwards. It's the 9:30 15-minute candle. Is that Luke Zaldana? I don't. So you go to your 15-minute, go to your 9:30 candle. There's your orb. Okay. It's this candle here, Luke. Coming down to that liquidity, hitting that previous day target right now. Guten Morgen. Of course, man. Much love to you, bro. Hopefully you're doing well, having a great week, and looking forward to the weekend. Nice bounce here. Come back up, retesting orb. Hitting that previous day target. That wouldn't be an SFP. We haven't swept this low here, guys. That's not an SFP. This is just swinging down. We need to take this low for an SFP. It hasn't done so yet. It's tapped our low. It's tapped our previous day pivot line, but not our SFP line. We're still waiting. Very overextended on our momentum waves. That's the only thing that's causing me a little bit of hesitation to short, I would say. A little bit of hesitation to short right now. We're going to have bull divs throughout here. So bull div throughout, right? Reclaim of orb long trade, right? That's an option if we come back into it. Otherwise, we look for follow through to the downside. SFP? No SFP. No SFP so far. Still waiting here. See if we bounce. Here's the SFP. I'm long. Stop loss to entry. Push, Biddy. Don't be a namby-pamby. Ah, come on. TP1. TP1 hit. You got to be quick, guys. I ain't your financial advisor. I'm just some random dude on the internet. Let's go, baby. I know you guys love it. I know that's why you're all here. I'll teach you how to be a ninja. Don't worry. Let's go. Pump it, baby. GG's, everybody. We got in on the tits. Right at the tits, right? Oh, baby. Good fun. Happy Friday, everybody. Are we all having fun here or what? I think we're all having fun here. Put some GGs in the chat. Come on, baby. How about that? How about that? You got to be like... Push it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Patience wins, right? Patience wins. Patience wins. So the wife came in, saw Alex, and told me I need to stop looking like a hobo. Thanks, Alex. Al Jr., you're a beautiful person, man. Don't take that haterade. Tell her to go drink some more haterade. Say, you're my wife. You married this face. You still like sitting on it, don't you? Okay, maybe too far. Get a haircut. Give her a big old smooch. Tell her you love her. Oh, man. Thank you for being here, Al Jr. God bless you, bro. Too far? Did I go too far? I mean, come on, guys. We called the SFP all morning. And you guys took it, right? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Long leg Donkey Kong. I don't think we could have. I don't think we could get a better entry, everybody. Holy smokes! This is why this is the people's channel. On a day of no volatility, we found it. We found the trade. I think that was the highlight of the week right now. Great job, everybody. Look at that. God bless you, Tradefly. You owe me a phone call, bro. I love you, man. Hopefully all is well with you. Caught the low, everybody. Beautiful long, everybody. Beautiful SFP. Waited patiently when we had the first little scare here. We waited, and then you see the volume. If you know, you know, man. We teach this as well. You see the volume, you trade it, okay? You got to be able to see it to believe it. You got your key level. You know where you're coming. You're coming for this guy here. You know where the beautiful liquidity is. And you execute with conviction, okay? And you hit trades like this, man. You hit trades like this. I'm going to send you guys over to Trades by Matt, okay? Trades by Matt is you know, he's kind of my secret mentor. If you guys wouldn't mind going over there and throwing some otters in the chat, I would really appreciate it. It's Friday. Get a haircut, touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Go over to Trades by Matt, throw a whole bunch of otters in his chat. He will teach you how to be patient. He is the patience master. I'm, young Padawan, but I'm very grateful to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. God bless you. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see the Discord members later. Congratulations on your gains. Don't forget to trade safe, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking.